So Coastal Combat round 2.
You really think you can do it, mate? Joey Mackerel, this rubbish. I'm Joey Mackerel, mate, and you're going down, Coddy Roddy, okay? I'm back on my boat now. I'm checking, make sure everything's okay. Everything's fine. I am ready to go, sunshine. So, the date is July 4th, Sunday, 12 o'clock. And we're fishing till 6. Mate, you think the waters in the west are better than the east on the boat? Let's see, mate. Let's see, my little chipolata.
Coastal Combat round 1. You beat me, Joey Mackerel. Whilst I fished for a storm, soaking wet, you were relaxing on a sun-kissed beach, catching lots of fish. 9-0. You did well, my friend. You did well. But after your victory, you came down to my territory, stepped foot in my house, and got my wife to attack me with wax strips. The leg is healing well, but the mental scarring is still very fresh. Revenge will be mine. Last time, we fought on the beaches. Round 2, we're fighting on the water. You have your boat. I just need mine. Revenge will be mine. See you out there.
Right, let's get ready for round 2, Coastal Combat. Right, well, my boat is meant to be here. What's that? That's Wayne's stick. He's taken my boat. What's going on?
I've got my boat. West, here we come. What should we do with Joey Mackerel? What should we do with Joey Mackerel? What should we do with Joey Mackerel? Early in the morning. Beat him at Coastal Combat 2.